Alright folks, today we have some interesting products from port plugs. And if you haven't thought about it, you spend a lot of money on your phone and mobile devices. And you don't want to just trust that they're not going to get sand and dirt in those little ports. In fact, they just don't look very stylish. You know, look at it's a nice looking phone. You get down to the bottom, it's kind of ugly. So you want something stylish, something professional, you want port plugs. So in this case, I have an iPhone. So we're going to check out the lightning dust plug. I'm going to open it up here, and we're going to discuss and check it out. So there you go. Now you have a little cleaning brush and two port plugs. So in this case, pretty simple and straightforward. You just put it into the port. It's a lot more stylish, it's good looking, so you can get a close-up on that. And, of course, it pops right out when you don't need it, and you can clean out those ports. In fact, this is a nice little thing for around your little cell phone case, the areas that get dirty. Having a little brush like this is fantastic. They also have a set, it's a cell phone cleaning kit, which comes with all the device cleaning apparatus that you may ever need. Wiping cloths, you can clean out all your ports. It's a good thing to just keep around. And you know, I think the really nice aspect of this is that they're economical. When you're spending like under 10 bucks to protect your phone, protect your things, they've got them for everything from your lightning cables, your micro USBs, that sort of thing, as well as your headphone cables. So anyway, I'm gonna highly recommend you go pick up yourself some port plugs. High quality, easy to use, and just they make your phone look a little more stylish. Thanks again for watching 911 Reviews. If you watched this far into the video, click that subscribe button now. We have an Amazon link for the products below. And also, if you would like us to review one of your products, email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.